When we talk about artificial intelligence for generating video, there is a big problem. You need so many subscriptions. The credits are very low usually, and I stressed out personally about, oh, I need to be profitable, I need to use everything, and usually, to be honest, I cannot. And so that's why today I'm very happy to be able to show you Runware. So Runware is very good API. I love it when you create application. If it's not application, it's very good also to just use, and you're gonna see that if you click on it, you have a lot of model. It's really good. It's very fast. You can use a lot of the open source or proprietary models. So for example, if you have like one of the software, one of the video generation of Kling, for example, you can find it here too. It's a very good software that I use for a long time, and I can't wait to show you what they got. And so if you click on the models, again, you can find it. You can see that they have a lot of it. What's going to be very useful for everything about video specifically, because that's our topic, is that if you create an account, very easily, right there, you create your account, is that you're gonna end up right here. Usually you're gonna be there, and you can click on video. So playground, this is where you're gonna be able to generate things, and you can click on video inference or generation as you wish. And as you can see right there, this is the interface to like kind of make a trailer, if I dare say. You can click on the generation that you had right there, and it's going to tell you how much you paid by generation. And that's really a great way to see it, in a sense of usually you have to pay a subscription. Again, you need to be profitable. It's a bit of stress. So what is very cool with this tool, that you put some money, like you have a wallet, you just put 20 bucks, and then you just pay by generation. And that's why I really like it, in a sense of there's going to be period when I'm going to generate a lot, I'm going to need to use a new model. I paid my subscription with these services, but the problem is that it's not exactly the one I want to try. I need to test the new model, but this services doesn't have it. And so I'm really like blocked somewhere because of those circumstances. And so that's why I really like this tool, in a sense of you can select the model that you want right there. There is a lot of them. You even have like Google VO, you have all of them. You have Klings, you have like a lot. All the open source I know that you have, and then you have like some proprietary one, but like Google VO and all that. What's gonna be very interesting is that you can just select them. You can still put your image as input right here. You can see this is my image. And then you can select the size, and what I really like is the number of video that you want to generate. So for my part, I didn't try this yet. I tried with like 5 seconds. I'm gonna try with 12. I put the right dimension. If I want something with more pixels, I can just select the bigger version. Before like just the test, I'm gonna click, and it's gonna see. What's gonna be very important also is that I selected the cheapest per se model. And so what is good with it is that I have access to it. Sometimes with tools, I'm gonna be locked so fast, but with this, I can pay 6 cents by video generated, which is gonna be so useful if I have to make like a presentation for a product, maybe an intervention, maybe I need something in the background of my slides to be able to animate. It's gonna be very useful. And so that's why I'm very happy, because of my style, if I say, for my diapositive, for my slides, I can create little animation like this with no hassles, very easy, and I just pay by the generation. So this is the one that we just generated. 12 seconds, I just paid 16 cents 2 times, but you're gonna see the result that I have. Is it perfect? Probably not. What I could use also is a upscaler. I can just grab this video and upscale it. So I just paid less money. This is like kind of a pro tip. I just downloaded the video by clicking right there. Nothing prevent me from doing like upscaling. Don't worry. And you can just, so my video is too long, but that's okay. Look at this. I can cut it, I think. Don't move. I'm gonna show you everything. So basically, you can go in Canva. You drop your video inside of like a slide, for example. Let's imagine I have this, so you can see exactly how pixelated it is. Let's imagine I go there. You can click on it. You need to be below 10 seconds. So if you made a mistake, no worry. You can just cut it out. I'm gonna go like for 8 seconds. Once I did this, I can just upload. There you go. Re-download the image if you want. For my part, I'm just gonna grab like a video which is like cheaper, and specifically with like 5 seconds, because I just want to show you the end and all. Like I don't want to like bother you with all this. You can see it's pixelated. Let's go on Canva. I'm gonna remove this one. I'm just gonna upload my little file right here, and then it's an animation, no worries, and I want to upscale it. And it's gonna just upscale it for me. So this is one way that you can do also. But what is very interesting for us in the tool is that I put my image at the beginning, right here. And I selected the model. I explained what was going on, you know what? Professional that are fighting AI computer. We're gonna see the difference. I think it's gonna be fun. But for what we generated before, you can see that I have my little animation of 12 seconds. It was 6 or 12 cents, I think, because I put more seconds. 12 cents or 16 cents, I don't care. It's really affordable compared to like a subscription when you have to pay like 20, 30, 60, sometimes like $100. You can just use artificial intelligence very easily with Runware. And there you go, you can see that they are now kind of fighting. It's not ideal. Fighting is a lot of movement, a lot of impact, so of course it's gonna block. But as you can see, it kind of works. It kind of works. The fight with the artificial intelligence, we're perfect. So yeah, that's really like my favorite tool. I really like it because you can select the number of video, you can just launch them. You can also make your image generation on the same time. It's a very, very good tool, and it's very affordable, and that's what I really like it too. So yeah, it was all for the video generation. Don't hesitate to try it. It's quite affordable. It gives you a chance to try. You can put this on your resume if you want. You can make a little post with it. You can make an introduction. I don't know, but you can do a lot of things. So it was Loic from I-avantage. I wish you the best. I will see you very soon, and bye-bye.